I received finally my camera for my baby. The brand is Litokam. It's a camera from Amazon. Tried high definition, night definition, color storage, motion detection. I can speak with my baby. He's in the room. I try to speak with him and see on the night definition. It's very important to me. So I open them, so you can download the application and see in your cell phone or your baby or your house. Okay, let me see. Let me show you. I love because it's charger, so it don't use batteries. So I have the USB charger. The camera is mobile. You can put in different size. So in your house, when you stay in the work or so you can see the notifications you have on the store inside the application. I see is the camera, so you can work with Alexa, a Google Assistant. You have a video keys for the install the camera. It's very easy.